Hello students. Students, here is an exercise A in which we have to choose the most suitable option that is given in the middle of the sentence. So the sentence may be clear or completed. So as you can see that in every sentence, middle of the sentence there are some options, so we have to choose the correct option to make the clear and meaningful sentence. So now let's start to solve exercise A. Students, here is a sentence 1 in which Geeta, her sister, send their greeting to you. In this sentence we can see that Geeta and her sister both are used as a subject. So here we choose and to join both subject to make the sentence clear and meaningful. So and is the correct answer of this sentence. Now let's see the second sentence. She has come but brother hasn't. Students, here we can see that she has come and or and what. These are the option in which we have to choose the correct option. Brother hasn't. She has come but brother hasn't. So we choose the but word what to make the correct sentence. So what is the correct answer of this sentence? Now let's see the third example. He should be here. He will miss a golden chance. Students, in this sentence we see that he should be here or he will miss a golden chance. So in this sentence that is given the option, in these options or is the correct answer for this sentence. And now let's see the fourth sentence. She has just cleaned her cupboard. It looks clean. Students, here is this is sentence. She has just cleaned her cupboard. She has finished the cleaning work. So it looks clean. So is the correct answer of this sentence. Now let's see the fifth sentence. And or if the that is the case, I have nothing to say. If that is the case, then I have nothing to say. So students, if is the correct answer for this sentence. And now let's see the sixth sentence. Only since that. These are the given options in which we have to select the correct option. You wish to go, you may leave now. Students, in this sentence, since is the correct option for make the sentence clear or make the sentence meaningful. So we choose since as a correct answer. Now let's see the seventh sentence. Switch on the light, it will be dark inside. Students, in this sentence there are three given options in which we have to select one to make the sentence meaningful. Switch on the light or it will be dark inside. So or conjunction is the suitable words for this sentence. Now let's see the eighth sentence. The boy, the girl paid some attention to me. Here two nouns, the boy and the girl. So here we choose and to make the sentence meaningful. So and is the correct answer for this sentence. Now let's see ninth sentence. The girl drew a picture, colored it. Students, here we see the girl have done two works in a same time. The girl drew a picture and colored it. So here and is the correct sentence of this for this sentence. Now let's see the 10th and last sentence. I used to formula to solve the question. It hasn't any difference. Students, in this sentence I used the formula to solve the question. Someone has used one formula, then it hasn't made any difference, that there will be no difference, so we choose yet. I used the formula to solve the question, yet it hasn't made any difference. So students, yet is the correct option for this sentence, for making the sentence meaningful or correct. So students, this is the solution of this exercise A. I hope that you will understood this properly, and if you have any kinds of doubt, then you can ask me without any hesitation. Okay students.